The ultimate Irispoda Fugax tutorial from 0 to pro in 1 minute. If you're studying entomology or just curious about insects, most people get this wrong by overlooking the fascinating world of Irispoda Fugax. The surprising truth is that this species offers unique behaviors and ecological roles that make it a perfect subject for observation and research. First, identification. Irispoda fugax is a small, fast-moving insect with distinct coloration patterns that differentiate it from similar species. Many beginners get confused with look-alike insects, but careful attention to body markings and movement helps accurate identification. Next, habitat and behavior. This insect thrives in moist soil and leaf litter, feeding on decaying organic matter. You won't believe how it contributes to nutrient cycling, breaking down matter that enriches the ecosystem. Observing its behavior offers insights into survival strategies and predator avoidance. Reproduction and life cycle are important. Irispoda fugax lays eggs in hidden areas, and larvae develop quickly under optimal conditions. Most people overlook life cycle study, but understanding it is key for ecological research and conservation. Collection and study tips. Use gentle observation tools like magnifying lenses and small containers, avoiding harm. Proper note-taking and photography help track patterns over time. In conclusion, Irispoda fugax is more than a tiny insect. It's an ecosystem contributor and a fascinating subject for study. By learning identification, behavior, and habitat, you go from 0 to pro in appreciating and researching this unique species efficiently and responsibly.